So now that we've built our corporate website, we're thinking about making it responsive. A responsive website resizes itself to fit on any device. So when you're viewing it on an iPhone, instead of seeing the full website as you normally would, you'd see everything stacked up and shrunk down to fit onto the iPhone screen. Now with that master template that we downloaded and installed, this functionality is actually built in. You just have to do a couple of things to make it work properly. First thing we're going to do is go to our admin panel at yourdomain/administrator, and we're going to log in. First thing we're going to do is go to the template manager and go to the UMaster theme. Once loaded, click on the Profiles tab. In the Layout section, the first option, Responsive Layout, we're going to make sure it's selected to Yes and go and choose Save and Close. Now that we've gone and done that, all we have to do is make our images responsive. This is going to take a little bit of work, but it's definitely worth it. I'm going to show you how to do it to one, and then you can go and do it to the rest, whether it's in your content or in the modules themselves. I'm going to go and do this to my logo, which is in a module. So I'm going to go up to Extensions, and down to Module Manager. When the Module Manager loads, I'm going to click on Logo. When the Logo module loads, I actually need the HTML code, so I'm going to click on the HTML button. When the HTML loads, what we're going to do is we're going to add an attribute to the image tag. This right here is the image tag, and as you can see, it already has some attributes in here. The source is an attribute. Name equals value, and the value is in quotes. Border is an attribute. Again, name equals value, the value is always in quotes. I'm just going to put this before the source. It doesn't matter where you put it as long as it's formatted correctly. And what we're going to do is we're going to put class equals quotation mark size dash auto quotation mark space. You need to make sure that any attributes that you put in are spaced correctly. That's all we have to do to make our images responsive and format correctly in the responsive view. You need to do this to every image tag that you've included on your page. Once you're done, simply click Update and save and close. It's that easy to make our website responsive.